Guys, I just wanted to show you see how deep the snow is, and that's deep. So I just wanted to show you guys where our forts are and how they're going. Please subscribe, leave a like, comment below whose fort you think is the best. So first I'm going to show you my sister Chrissy's. She said she's got a slide. She's got this little burrito right there, and then this little sign. And then inside, it's pretty cool. There it is. I think mine's the best. Looks pretty good. She's got an entrance right there to go down her slide. It's cool. But now look at mine. Look what I built. I built a door. It goes all the way on the inside. I can fit through it, but I'm just going to show you guys real quick what this is. See, look. It looks pretty cool. So, comment below whose you think is the best. And, please, I don't know, subscribe, leave a like, put the bell on so you'll get all notifications about me. See, look how deep the snow is. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So, please, guys, I'm really cool. I'm friendly. I like you guys. You guys make us earn money, which is pretty cool. So, bye.